Alright, that does it. Third annual Butterfly Benefit Gala, here I come. I'll just finish off the look with some jewelry and oh! Man, these rings are so grimy. This is not gonna work. But don't worry, I know just what to do to get these rings shining like new. All I need is a bowl, aluminum foil, 1 cup of warm water, dishwashing liquid, baking soda, salt, and a toothbrush. First, I'm placing the aluminum foil at the bottom of the bowl. Then I'm pouring my 1 cup of warm water into the bowl. Next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of the dishwashing liquid. Then I'm making sure everything is mixed together. Now I'm adding my jewelry into the mixture and allowing it to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's had time to soak, I'm taking out each piece and gently scrubbing it with the toothbrush. Next, I'm pouring the mixture out, removing the aluminum foil, and filling the bowl with some cold water. Lastly, I'm placing the jewelry into the cold water to rinse it off, and then placing them onto the towel to dry. And that's it. As you can see, my rings are shiny and looking good. If you liked this tutorial, there's so much more where that came from. Head over to ehow.com and make sure you hit subscribe before you go. See you guys in the next video.